Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. We're about to check out Odumodublvck with Declan Rice. Man, I got to check this one out on the New Music Friday live stream, and what you're about to watch is an edited version of that. And mind you, I'm going to make some cuts as needed in order to upload it on YouTube. But if you'd like to see the uncut, unedited version, head over to my Patreon page, patreon.com/palmwinepapi, to check out the New Music Friday playbacks and check out the rest of the other songs that we looked at this week. All right, I've said enough. Enjoy the video. So Odumodublvck with Declan Rice. This song has been really anticipated, like really ramped up, and it's beautiful to see him actually time this well, because I think the international break is on right now. So I think England even played today. Did they play today? I didn't even follow up on the international games, but I'm sure they did. But the timing is just right. But then again, Odumodublvck, we're seeing a new signee from Native. It's kind of seen as the new face of the scene, to kind of spark some excitement. Really out of line, kind of like out of pocket lines that he has. Very shock value after shock value. That's his character. That's a lot of the personality and reputation that he has built on as a rapper. And it's still one of the finest in drill scene that I've personally seen in Nigeria. It would be nice to see what this song is actually going to sound like as a full-fledged song. This is Declan Rice. Okay, let's hear it. Let's hear him. Let's do it. Odumodublvck. Let's go.
Man, just buckle. It be like them be rise. Quack them. I they feel like Declan Rice. Them, like Declan Rice. Anytime I call, I go push them to the curb.
Okay. Hard. Still, let's see. This is real. Anyway, this is as real as it gets when it comes to a Nigerian pen. Odumodublvck definitely comes with that provocative, that high energy drill type of energy. Very confrontational, very like in your face, very Cutlass-esque kind of like charger, you know what I mean? So it's nice to see him really channel that energy on this song very well. Again, very out of line, out of pockets, like you don't even know where it's coming from, kind of approach that he has with the songs. Like, you know what I mean? Like he's just coming there with the high energy, very intense, very like he's going to like tear somebody's shirts. And it's unnecessarily aggressive sometimes, but then again, that's how you're supposed to sound as a drill artist. You know, very intimidating, very like, you know what I mean? I'm coming there, and he has that flair to actually give nice melodies that can actually carry the song along. You know what I mean? That can actually sit well. So Declan Rice as a song, like it's not bad as well. Like he has still a nice, sweet and simple melody that you can ride to. And then at the end of the day, like you're coming in there with some shock value verses. And it's nice to see, man. It's nice to see the energy being, like he's getting more confident as time comes by, especially how he is on the internet right now. The flair, the statements is a lot louder. It's a lot glaring, you know what I mean? And it's just nice to see him like taking charge and having a lot of attention, because Declan Rice could definitely draw a lot of attention. And I was just speaking about that thing about making a song dedicated to a popular name as an industry gimmick. Yeah, it happens. But in this case, like SEO power is gonna be strong, right? With a name like Declan Rice. So it's nice to see. It's nice to see that he's channeling all of that. who knows? They could be using this in like some actual football highlights and something. You know what I mean? Like, he definitely has that feel to it. He has that flair to it. Very aggressive. Very, you know what I mean? I want to tear your shirt type energy. Doggy dog like energy, bro. Odumodublvck, a different artist, man. I'm excited about what he's bringing to the scene. His new energy, and I knew this, and I said this at the beginning. Native took a huge risk by signing an artist like this. I mean, then again, it's an alter label, so it's like they're supposed to be taking risks, right? They signed him and Smada in the same time as an effort to at least to make a big statement. And yeah, these are artists that would make statements in terms of at least shock value. And this is good. This is good for him. This is good for him. And it's a good look. Let's see how this one goes. I know he has a project lined up for this year. I'm excited, man. I'm excited to see who he's gonna work with as well. It'll be nice. Truzo was on this one. We have John Rave on this. I still want to hear that Mojo and Odumodublvck moment, man. I want both of them on the song. Yeah. I really want both of them on the song. It just says, this kind of music reminds me of driving V Boots in Benin City. Afro last for sure. Afrocultism. Yeah, man. It is what it is. Someone said he has a song coming up with Fireboy. Interesting. That would be interesting to see. Yeah, that would be interesting to see. Yeah, I want to see that. Fireboy, because I saw them actually hanging out. I remember seeing that. We'll see. Thanks so much for watching that video, guys. That was Declan Rice with Odumodublvck. Again, if you'd like to see the uncut version, check out my Patreon page. I've been your boy Manu, aka palmwinepapi. Let me know in the comments how you guys felt about this song, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.